Mastering Idioms. Unpack Exit on top. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, where a few words can hold a wealth of meaning. We'll explore the phrase, exit on top, an idiom that's as intriguing as it is inspiring. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover what it truly means to exit on top. Before we unravel exit on top, let's understand what idioms are. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They add colorful expressions to the language and are often used metaphorically. The phrase, exit on top, is an idiom that means to end a career, tenure, or time in a position while being successful or at the peak of one's abilities. It suggests leaving a lasting impression and being remembered at your best. Let's see how to use exit on top in sentences. After winning the championship, the coach decided to exit on top and retire. The CEO announced her resignation, choosing to exit on top after leading the company to record profits. An essential aspect of exit on top is timing. It's about making the decision to leave while things are still going well, rather than waiting for a decline. It's a strategic move that requires foresight and courage. And that's a wrap on exit on top. We hope this exploration has illuminated this idiom for you and perhaps even inspired you to think about how and when to make your grand exit, should the time come. Until our next video, keep learning and keep aiming to exit on top in your language endeavors.